Hi, welcome to My Career Avenues. In this video, you'll get to know how to use this portal. So first of all, you have to just click here, the login button. As you click this, you can type your email ID here. So once you log in here, you can see the screen. Here, first of all, there is a research option where again, inside this, you can see top colleges. Top colleges you can explore in USA, UK, Australia, Singapore, Canada, New Zealand, UAE, South Africa, Italy, and India. You can also compare the colleges. Then comes career, where you can see various career options. Then there is a scholarship option, where there are various scholarship options out of India also. Then there is admission test. You can get the particular test, whichever you want to see. Then the second option is self-assessment, where there are 8 total assessment tests. You can take any of this test and you'll get a code. After entering the code, you can get the test. Once the test is over, you will get 14-page report immediately. Then there is a My Communication option where your university messages can be saved. Then it's a tools option where there is first option is webinar. If you click this webinar, you will get this screen where there is a country. You can choose the country, any country you want. Suppose I want to choose Canada. Then course in Canada. Suppose I'm choosing engineering. So you can get here the webinar options. Then there comes explore fees option. So you can explore any college's fee. Like if in India, you can choose the country and the department you want to choose, any of the department. And if you submit here, you can get all the fees calculator. Then there is option called mock test, where there are options for the mock test online, like SATs or EE. Then as you can see here, if you click here, you can set your profile. See like your basic information or your preferences for the colleges or the courses, whatever you want, education details, then personal information and your extracurricular activities. Then next comes My Calendar, where you can schedule your appointments with your counselor. You can see here. Then there is option called account setting. You can set your account according to the things you want. Also, you can search anything here. You can search any college you want here. Suppose I'm searching for Amity. So you'll get this. You can just click. Here you will get the options like the about colleges, courses offered in these colleges, insights, then scholarships and fees they offer, dates, campus. Like about the campus, you'll get all the information here, dates and everything here. So here also you can see the cities where the applicants are mostly from, like from Ghaziabad it's highest, or from Guwahati it's comparatively low, and other states it's like 48%. Then you can even check your admission chances. If you click this, suppose you want admission in architecture and your board is suppose CBSE. So you're expecting 85% marks, suppose. So it can show the chances and it's comparatively low. So similar way, you can check for any of the universities or the institutes you want to study in. I think you know how to use the portal now. So whenever you're done, you can just log out here. Thank you for watching this video.